In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automatic matching in QuickBooks Online. If you've been looking for an efficient way to manage your transactions, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything you need to know in the next 5 minutes. First, let's begin with signing in. Head over to the QuickBooks Online homepage and click on the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing your account, ensuring you have all the necessary features at your fingertips. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your version of QuickBooks. In our case, we'll select QuickBooks Online. It's designed specifically for businesses managing their finances on the go or through online platforms offering flexibility and real-time data access. Now that you're at the Sign In screen, type in your credentials. Your username and password are essential for secure access to your financial data. Make sure you have them handy, and if you happen to forget either, you can always use the password recovery options provided. Once inputted, click Continue and you'll be directed straight into your account dashboard. Next, let's navigate to the Transactions section. This is the hub for reviewing all your financial activities. Click on the link that takes you to Transactions. It's visually intuitive, making it easier for you to see everything at once, from income to expenditures. Within this Transactions hub, we'll focus on bank transactions. Click on Bank Transactions. This is where the automatic matching feature comes into play, helping you to align your bank entries with what's in your books, reducing manual entry time and errors. Now you need to find the gear icon. Click on the gear icon to access your settings. This section is crucial for customizing how QuickBooks functions for you. It's where you can choose what features you want turned on or off, tailoring the software to better fit your business needs. Finally, it's time to check if the automatic matching option is available. Once you've clicked the gear icon and accessed your settings, look for the checkbox labelled Automatic Matching. If it's visible and available, checking this box will enable the feature. This smart tool aims to match incoming transactions from your bank with existing entries in QuickBooks, which can save you a substantial amount of time and ensure accuracy in your records. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to set up automatic matching in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can streamline your transaction management process, minimize errors, and save valuable time for more critical tasks. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to check out more of our videos for additional QuickBooks tips and tricks. Happy bookkeeping!